Hi students, in the previous exercise we explore elevation bending surface for pond volume calculation, and we calculate our cut fill volume for that pond. In this exercise we will learn how to use contour analysis tools to prepare cut fill volume in Civil 3D. So take your drawing from the previous exercise 414. I will put the link from the description. You can download this drawing. In prospector, right click pond volume under the surface here and select surface properties option to display the surface properties dialog box. On the analysis tab, choose contours from the analysis drop down menu here. Verify that the number field is ranges should be 3 and click run analysis arrows in the middle of the dialogues to populate the range details area. Change the range to match those you enter in the, for example here we need 0 minus 0.08 minus 0.08 and for the ID 1 0.08 maximum and minimum for ID 2 0.08. Now in the major and minor contours column, click the small button to far right of each to display the AutoCAD. Select color dialogs and set a color for each ID. Typical contours color we can choose like shades of red for cut. Okay. And a yellow for the balance line. And then shades of green for fill. Now switch to the information tab on the surfaces property dialog and change the surface style to 0.5 to 25. Design. Click the down arrow next to the style field and select the copy current selection. The surface style editor will be appear. On the information tab, change the name field contour 0.15 meter and 0.75. Earthwork. Okay, now on the contours tab, expand the contours range branch. Change the value of the use color scheme should be true. It's okay to ignore the range value here because you already set them in the surface properties. So expand the contour interval branch and change the minor contour interval to 0.25 0.15. The major interval setting will automatically update to 5x to minor interval. Click OK to close the surface style editor and again click OK to close the surface properties. Now the volume surface can now be analyzed on the lot by lot basis unlabeled using the surface label functions to show the depth of cut and fill with these contour analysis tools. Hope you like this video. For these type of advanced level 3D knowledge, please stay with us.